Hi, now I'm going to show you how to get user input from a Python console, which we can then store and use in our program. So the very simplest thing you can do is just simply type input and then parentheses. And what it's going to do is that's going to ask the user to input some information on the console. So if I run the program, it's simply going to stay in this position and I can type whatever I want and press enter. Of course, the program ends because there is nothing more after that line. And what you can actually do inside those parentheses is you can write a prompt. So in quotation marks, we could write enter your name. And now if you run the program, it says enter your name. And as you can see, I can type just as I previously could. However, this is quite useless because you can't really do anything with that. So what you actually want to do is you want to put the user input into a variable. So how you do that is you're simply creating a variable. For example, you call it name equals input. And now when user actually inputs information, it's going to get saved into the name variable. And using that name variable, we can do really cool things. So right now I'm going to create a really simple Python program, which basically asks you for your name and then displays it to you saying hello. So to do that, you really need just 2 lines of code. So we're going to write print hello, then our variable, and then exclamation mark. So if we simply run the program right now, it asks us to enter our name, Frank, enter, and it says hello Frank. You can of course create multiple variables and use all of them in your Python programs. We're going to be working with inputs a lot later on, but right now I'm just going to show you the very basics. There's a lot of different things you can do using user inputs. So we're going to create a second variable now. Let's call it age equals input, and then in parentheses, in quotation marks, enter your age. And we're going to edit our first print, which now will display both our name and age. Running the program now prompts us to enter our name, Frank, and then our age, 120. Hello Frank, you are 120. And yeah, that's it. See ya.